One is Domino's competing with burgers now? Domino's has launched a new TV campaign highlighting its $6.99 mix and match deal. The ad shows a birthday party where guests are disappointed by a sliced-up cheeseburger until they cheer for a medium pizza instead. The campaign reflects both shifting competition in QSR and how value-driven menus are reshaping marketing in today's tough economy. During downturns, QSR chains usually had the upper hand, but after pandemic price hikes, they lost their value-for-money appeal. Now we're seeing them push value menus again. Let's see if it works this time. Restaurant business, https www.restaurantbusinessonline.com. Marketing Domino's going after fast food chains value to Wendy SX. Wednesday, the unhappy meal. Wendy's teamed up with Netflix's hit series Wednesday to launch a meal of misfortune. A parody of McDonald's Happy Meal, it includes 10 nuggets, fries, a Raven's Blood Frosty, plus 2 random fear sauces from 4 spooky options. The promo also comes with a game event, Escape from Wednesday's Woe, with a $10,000 prize. In the US, playful ad rivalries like McDonald's versus Burger King or Domino's versus Pizza Hut are common, but we rarely see that in Korea. Wouldn't it be fun if brands here also leaned into this kind of cheeky marketing? Today, https www.today.com food, restaurants, Wendy's Unhappy Meal of Misfortune Wednesday. RCNA 2224603 McDonald's Happy Meal, Ninja Turtles X Hello Kitty. Starting Aug 12, McDonald's US is selling a Happy Meal featuring Ninja Turtles X Hello Kitty figurines. Each toy combines the personality of a turtle with the charm of Hello Kitty. Every meal also includes a collectible card showing each character's special powers. Ninja Turtles Plus, Hello Kitty, the ultimate kidult crossover. Total nostalgia bait. Today, https www.today.com food news, McDonald's, Hello Kitty Ninja Turtles. Happy Meal RCNA 2237284 McDonald's brings back the 1970s McDonaldland meal. A limited edition McDonaldland set launches Aug 12, paying homage to the 1970s campaign universe. It includes a quarter-pounder or 10-piece McNuggets, fries, a matte McDonaldland shake, and a collectible tin case. The shake's flavor remains a mystery, described only as a recipe as fascinating as the world itself. McDonaldland 1971 to 2003 was a huge part of their brand identity. I couldn't cut this one even though we already had another McDonald's story. Anyone else nostalgic for the old characters and decor? Food and Wine, https www.foodandwine.com. McDonald's McDonaldland Meal, 11784715 Korea S. Lotteria. Opens first U.S. location Lotteria with 1,300 stores in Korea, opened its first U.S. branch in Orange County on August 11. The menu features signature Korean items like bulgogi burger, shrimp burger, bibimbap rice burger, and chicken burger. This follows other Korean Asian chains like Knotted and Bread, Espresso, and entering the U.S. market. I've been loving Lotteria's recent mozzarella basil burger and spicy shrimp burger. Curious to see how locals in California react to these flavors. Eater LA, https la.eater.com, restaurant. Openings 291416, Lotteria, South Korea. Japan fast food restaurant opening Fullerton, Orange County. FOOREND newsletter schedule worst and third Fridays. Korean food trend. Highlights 10th and 4th Fridays. Global food trend highlights follow on Instagram. https www.instagram.com Food Trend Mag FOOREND shares even faster updates on Instagram stories, so don't miss out and make sure to follow through the link above. Business contact foodtrend.foorend.gmail.com. You can also contact via LinkedIn. https www.linkedin.com Newsletters. FOOREND Food Trend 73566297084827394. Check out the Korean FOOREND full archive. https foodtrend.styb.com